This year we have sold about 35 animals. So that's why we have a little bit of emptiness.
Of space. Yeah. So now the heifers on the other side will come filling.
These are the ones we have brought. Now we brought this. Now we are now serving them. We are not ready.
Oh.
So we usually sell when we are. Sorry. So we usually sell when they are this size. This is the size we are talking about. But after it's confirmed, then that's whatever.
With all the records.
Yeah, with all the records. So even this one, even this age, you are going to them taking a lot of concentrate.
Yeah.
Because again, this where it forms the mammary gland.
Yeah.
If you give too much concentrate, the mammary gland forms itself into a fatty tissue. Then instead of having mammary gland where it will produce milk, it becomes fatty. Then you will find a beautiful cow that cannot produce milk. So everything is happening. Don't always like a fat cow. A baby cow is supposed to give you, unless it's pregnant, it's supposed to show you bavutatu. Yeah, it's supposed to have some leanness. Yeah. It's supposed to be daily, not beefish. Yeah. And you know how to select cows, of course. Yeah, we use this molasses to bind the food together. Yeah. But when we are making silage, we don't use molasses.
What do you use?
Use maize.
Maize only.
Maize only. Chop, compress.
No other inoculants.
No. You just get it out the way original.
Even banana. Most people.
So you see they are moving a little bit. They are looking for silage. Yeah. You see we have to get a bit of push out. So they are moving it. No. I told you the one on the other side. This is the super native.
It's 45 days.
Yeah, this is about 45 days. This is your Tunakura. This one is still in the cut of 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
You feed it fresh.
Yeah, we mix it. We chop. We mix it over. Then we chop. We mix it with the liquor of food.
Yes.
Yeah. But it becomes now the soft part of what we are eating. Okay. You're asking me about where. You see the water comes from underground and goes all the way to the farm. Yeah.
Wow. Interesting.
So now then all these metaros, the washout coming from there from the farm on their side, we now give. We do tributaries, then that's the one we need to irrigate the whole farm.
Okay. What about the Chumbi? Which companies do you use?
The company doesn't matter. Yeah, the company we use also now, but the company doesn't matter. All you need is good. You look at the ingredients that you are having.
Okay.
You know all those companies have the same ingredients. You only look at the ingredients you are looking for.
Okay. Do you grow your own maize?
Yes, we do. That's what we do silage with. Okay. We do silage with maize and millet and sorghum. Sorghum and the maize.
They have the same nutritional value.
Sorghum is sugar sorghum. It has higher sugar weights. The maize has lower. Yeah. But if you're using sugar sorghum, then you also can twist it a little bit with millet, because millet has more proteins. Because what cows look for is both crude proteins and energy. Yes. So
they must balance.
Yeah, you must balance. Yeah. Just like human beings.
Yeah.
They have been given push out, so they must do it around. But they eat a little bit. So you see, at this point, what you do is control unono. Yes. You control so that by the time you are inseminating them, you are not fat. And you don't give them silage. If you are going to eat, because you have to control it. That's a cheap one. You want a child to grow well. You are going to every time it's cheap. Yeah. But if you are a Maradona and you take chips, and you run, she's gone.
Yeah.
It doesn't what you do because you are not doing it. You need to lower the carbohydrate. Our other carbohydrates they are food. Because they use. Lakini hawa itaanza kuleta shida. That's when you get now new fever, all the stories of new fever. So you are familiar with the Napier grass, eh?
Yeah.
Hiyo mnaijua?
Super Napier.
The Super Napier. Yeah? You want you are umeona ama unataka kuona?
Naweza iona.
Mnaweza ona? Haya tuende. Mtachoma najua lakini
Ni sawa, ndio tumekuja.
yeah. Kuchagua ng'ombe. Yeah. Yes, when, if you don't know, when you are buying, if you want to buy a cow, get an expert. You get an expert to chagua for you. Because a cow, you look at many things. Unaangalia miguu, unaangalia frame, unaangalia the positioning of the udder. You know, there are a number of things you look at. But if you go to Google, you are a Google person. In YouTube, you can read, you can see how, what are the characteristics of a good cow. Yeah. You know, many people say either you can nada kubwa ndio mzuri. Yeah, I don't go for that. I go for good attachment of the under that is up. If I look at these cows from the back, I can tell you which has good legs, which has bad legs, and which likely will not give us good milk. From even just checking from the back. Like now I can tell the position the position of the legs are good, the other will have place to stick. Unaona ile miguu imerudi pamoja, like this one here, you see the position of the other will itakuja ianze kufinywa most likely. So you are able to tell from even the look, even from the back you can tell a good cow. And then you should always see the pin. Unaona this bone here, you should always be able to see. But the moment you don't see the pin, you can see that cow is not a good dairy cow. From the tail, it's supposed to fall. It's supposed to go, not. So if you see where the tail is, there's a lot of meat, then you know that cow is more fatty than anything else. So you see there are cows. You see like this white one is a little fatty. You see this one?
Yeah.
You see it's a little fatty? Yeah. So you may go and find it has a breed. This one, oh yeah, good. This the grandmother is 001. We were white. 001 was a our first traditional cow. So you see it has a little bit of meatiness. So you know a little bit of meat kidogo. Yeah. Even from the back you can see. Even from the macario, you see it almost can sit on a chair. I can tell. So it has too much meat. So I can tell most likely we won't get a lot of meat. So the cows you can tell from the front, the cows can have a lengthy shoe, a good length, because that was what determines whether you can eat or not. Cows with short fingers like this have a problem with getting to eating. Yeah. And the frame of the cow must be strong enough to carry the cow. Many cows they go 10 years and beyond. Other cows which are don't touch the fence.
So it's actually live.
I'm not so sure. Since I'm not so sure, you better not touch it. Even that is. I hope we can be able to skip it. You are farmers, isn't it?
Yeah. But in the case of in-calf heifer, when you're buying, you have to involve the vet.
How about?
Because some farmers are selling with fake documents. Yeah?
No, documentation a vet cannot help you.
Yeah.
You need to buy from a good farm.
Yeah.
And you can trust. That's why you find
Yeah.
that many people come here because they can trust the farm.
Okay.
Yeah. You see how we do the tributaries.
Yeah.
So the native will grow very fast.
Yeah, video. Yeah.
And
And you see, there's a lot of manure.
Yeah.
So what we do, we keep scooping it from the mitaro. Then this one, after it's dried, we put it in gunias. We take it to other farms. So this becomes like a collection point for manure. But then the water, we allow it to sit down. Yeah. So
hizo ni vines.
Potato fine
Potato
seeds.
fine.
You know, these are very good for calves.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you can get a lot for even cows, they are very good in energy.